Hope Uzodinma have taken over all hotel in Owerri as we are speaking now for the upcoming election. Even people who already book hotel they go push them aside and take over the hotel. This is happening in Owerri. No be smart, and they say that for Anambra state now, Soludo now Anambra people don't reckon them. They say na Sewibo. They say that the Soludo be Sewibo. Now the Sewibo no, the governor of Anambra, which is Soludo. They say na all Abros. Abrosis wey doctor say you don't pursue for Anambra state. Now you don't digitalize them. So Ludo don't digitalize Abros for Anambra as we they talk. All street full of Abro, they collect money for Anambra. This is happening before our eyes. No be smart, they say road will lead for Edo state to Adeta and come down to Anambra. He said that road is a no-go area and nobody is talking about it. No be smart, as we they talk that one, they go. Now they say that the PM will be Simon Ekpa don't finally open restaurant. As we they talk now, he said the restaurant will open. If you they hungry anywhere, may you finally enter there, come eat. Na free of charge they give the food. We'll go find out how all this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balaba's Gist. If today are the first time we do come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. My people, things are really happening, but if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, may you quickly go subscribe immediately, because we are here today bring you Ogbonge news as it dey hot. Subscribe to this channel and come back and say done. No be smart, and also follow our Facebook page. Don't forget to turn your notification bell. If you know they get our update, concern us. So where they here they bring them now for you to turn your notification bell, so anytime we upload, you will be the first person we go to get them. Okay, we're not gonna waste your time. We'll move quickly jump into the matter we carry us come here today. They say some women don't cry out for Imo State. Say Hope Uzodinma don't order some hotels where they do already book down for their event. You don't tell them, say may they pursue everybody come out, say they don't need the hotel for in guests where they come for the election. This is happening in Owerri, and we are going to bring the video for you to watch and hear for it yourself before we come back and continue.
A very unfortunate incident is taking place at Marriott Hotel, right here, Owerri, where reservations for girls of Federal Government Girls College Owerri, who had come in for their 50th global reunion and who had reservations at the hotel, were left disappointed. What we heard was that in spite of the reservations that have been made several months before this date, at the last minute, the hotel management gave away the reservations to politicians who came in, leaving many girls, old girls of Federal Government Girls College Owerri, stranded at the lobby. No place to sleep, no place to stay. Completely disenchanted with the management of Protea Hotel, Marriott in Owerri. It is, to say the least, very disappointing that a hotel chain known globally as Marriott could play this very unhospitable hand to their clients.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. This is happening before our eyes. Say sometimes if they talk, we'll be like, so just they talk. People would already book the hotel for months ago or 2 months ago, and because of say waiting, no need that hotel there. What happened to Governor Law? Why even people are coming for lodge, in Owerri for what? Those people who are coming, why? To do what? To vote? Why? People will vote willingly. Why are there people coming in from God knows where? Okay, no problem. Imo State. Imo. When Supreme Court give a governor, which one I would expect? Okay, my people. Let's quickly jump into those states as it they hot. They say na government, federal government road. They don't finally abandon them. What are people will go past this road to go Christmas? These people not get conscience. See how many motor people goes. Where would they cry? They cry for our people go Lagos, go buy something. Then they come for road. Goods where you buy when you reach 3 million, you go come for road. You spend more than 4 million to rescue the goods alone. Which kind of injustice is this self? This thing done too much. When our people go wake up, get sense, may everything, more those nonsense end one day. Let's bring the video up for you to see. You see how bad this road is? Just look at this place I'm showing is even more better than other side that I'm going to show you later. We're going to do a special video for that one. Look at the road where people are passing. Is this not a river? Is this water here not enough to swim? If we keep boat here, boat will move freely. Look at just what the deep of this thing. And the government are not doing anything about it. The cars will get there and stuck. No moving back, no moving front. The road is finished. Who are they punishing? My people, things they happen, things they happen. And however, this road, until he chop as many as they want before they go come do them. I pray share this video so that they will see this road where they live like this. Evil government. Omo, as we they talk that one, mo quickly jump into Anambra, mo go know wetin dey happen. They say Soludo, Sewibo, don't finally all streets for Anambra na Aboro. They na Aboro wear clothes. I know for Lagos now some Lagos own they wear clothes. Na Aboro now for Anambra na don't wear. So this na the this thing we want bring for Anambra. The change we want bring for Anambra. So Ludo, let me tell you one thing. If you continue with this you are doing, you see Apoga will lose ground in Anambra. You understand? Although people are talking of their freedom, but Apoga will definitely lose ground in Anambra, and they will impose governor on Anambra people. So if you like, keep bringing Sewibo people. No, last man people. May play the video, may you watch as the dictator Cambo.
Everywhere you go to Anambra, uniform touts. See them? Uniform touts everywhere. Even inside streets. This is Sebibo's economic reform methods. Professor of Aboro. Chukuma Sebibo no.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as I've watched that video. You don't see them now. They say everywhere now. Na Sebibo military Aboro's money collectors. For everywhere for Anambra State. People waiting for Anambra Mona confirm this information. As we they talk that one, they say the PM will be Simon Ekpa don't finally open restaurant. And this in food when they cook now not come and chop. Most of them will never watch the video or you watch the video.
Good afternoon, good evening, fellow Biafrans. I said let me create a new content so that we can keep them busy while we focus on our struggle. Okay? Let's create content. Let's create very good content so we can keep them busy while we focus and put our eye on the ball. Fast one or the I saw where Wiki was doing something in the kitchen. And he doesn't know how to cook. All right, that's enough content for today. Continue.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you know. For those of you who live for Finland, we know where this restaurant today. I beg may you quickly go and grab your own food for that side though, as it dey hot. Okay, my people, you don't hear them now. Say Soludo that for everywhere for Anambra State. Now people when they say in one pursue close, build Anambra go be like London. Since we enter and the wait may they show us light, say Anambra that turn to London, we never see you. Black say call rich they are confused. For Imo State now, I see the hot, they say hope Uzodinma don't take over all the whole hotel for in girlfriend. So I see the hot for that place. As you didn't know, say the road way from Edo State, we come Delta, come down to East. Say that road don't finish, and they no get any plan to do one for this Xmas. I beg, if you get flight ticket, call ticket, enter to avoid the wahala. Okay, my people, now so we be now. Say we bring a show now. Share this video and also follow and like our page. Very, very important. We dey here to bring you when news as they hot. Okay, my people, we'll see you for the next update.